Welcome back to What's Happening. On today's episode, we learn about what goes into installing an iNet fiber service, the fastest internet service on island.
We're just about to begin the physical install of the fiber service. This is what we call a MDU, the main box in which all the different units come to. So let me get a terminal wrench. The terminal wrench. Okay. So to begin, I'm just prepping the workspace. Now is to just do a quick check, make sure the unit is active before I proceed with the installation and the termination. So every time our customer applies for a service, there's a line that's run come back to this unit and we just plug and play. This goes back to the main feed, which is in one of the manholes. So this is just the physical unit that comes up from underground outside for us to connect it. Everything else is on the ground. Okay, this is the physical fiber, the bare fiber. This is what we're gonna terminate on something we call a snap or the end. So that's what it brings all the speed and everything to the customer. And that's about it for the physical installation or the outside part of what we're actually doing. One thing about when we're handling or installing a fiber service, especially when we're doing the termination, it's very important that we always clean the fiber, because any little dust or anything that's left on the fiber when we terminate it can affect the quality of the internet service. Now I just have to call the office and let them activate the service.
So what the technicians did here is they installed the main ONT at a central location to maximize the Wi-Fi for the downstairs. This is also the infrastructure of the house is sheetrock, which is easier for Wi-Fi to penetrate. So when I install the mesh upstairs, it will penetrate the sheetrock easier to maximize the Wi-Fi at the top. So the whole building, the whole house, will have maximum Wi-Fi coverage. Right now it's syncing. So yeah, when the flash is red like this, it's ready for me to sync it to the main box. So after we've done the installation of the fiber modem and the mesh, we've conducted a speed test where we've gotten 52.7. It's a 50 meg service, so the 52.7 is a little bit over the 50, which is great. And the upload speed is always half of the download speed, which is 25, but we have 23.3. It's up to 25, so this is also a good speed. This will now conclude the installation of the fiber service.